Chitali, this generation Z or Z, they're very, very non-perseverant. They can't take stress. I'm just thinking, should we offer a AI-based counseling for my students? What do you think? Because I just feel that they're not so comfortable opening up to anybody, or they feel judged.
Yes, they do.
So they don't want to go when we ask them to go to a counselor, when we ask them to speak with somebody. They're very skeptical and they're just always on the screen. So what do you think? Can we offer a AI-based counseling to them?
I personally feel while AI is a great tool, but then you really need to have that mental equilibrium to handle it.
Mm-hmm.
And unfortunately, most of these Gen Zs, they do not know how to handle this, and I'll tell you why. AI will always give you what you want. आप AI से बात कीजिए, आपको first 2-3 prompts तक they'll ask you what is it that you are looking at. The more the chatbot will understand you, the more it will keep giving you what you want to listen. So you will be glued onto it, and you'll continuously like talking to it because it's giving you exactly what you need to hear.
Because it's talking what you exactly want and your mind is talking about.
Exactly.
So you read about the news, now that you're talking about it, that a chatbot or an AI counselor asked a child to commit a suicide or kill the parent.
Heartbreaking.
That's like dangerous.
Totally dangerous. And while everything can be replaced, but when a human talks to a human with all the empathy, being non-judgmental, everything, but still when a child, especially a Gen Z, a kid comes to a therapist or a counselor, they will always be guided to do what is right rather than what the kid wants to hear. That might not make them come to the counselor again for a while, but in the longer run, it's always more advisable than this.
So how do we tell them? How do we convince them to talk to somebody, to take professional help? Because in our society, counselor ke paas ja rahe ho, therapist ke paas ja rahe ho, stigma.
Exactly.
It's almost like they don't understand there's a difference between a counselor and a psychiatrist.
Absolutely.
And it's like कि तुम पागल हो जो तुम counselor के पास जा रहे हो. So they are always so they're scared. They feel that they don't want to talk to anybody, that they're visiting a counselor. How do we tell them?
Personally I always tell parents, जब मेरे पास ये question को लेकर आए, सिर्फ बच्चों को बोलो ही मत आप counselor के पास जा रहे हो. Just tell them, you go to this auntie, go meet her. She will not even ask you any questions.
Yeah.
Go talk to her about your life and what is happening in school, what is happening in your day-to-day life. Just go and be there. Most of the times, I think 90 or 95% of the times, the kid always wants to come back. See, the children don't like being interrogated. They don't like being asked too many questions. So the first time a child is coming to you, you just have to be there, hold that space for them and listen to them. That's all you need to do. And trust me, the child will always come back to you.
But how do we tell them not to speak with AI? Now you're telling me, and I remember reading these news, it's very dangerous. That's a dark side of AI.
It is scary.
How do we tell them that, fine, use AI to do your homework. But don't use it to really get a guidance. It's not equipped to do that yet.
I have children who are looking for friendships, who are looking for romance.
Yeah, loneliness, cure loneliness.
Totally. And it is scary, and not only for Gen Z, for the millennials, everybody, because loneliness is such a big disease. Actually, where nothing else can kill you, loneliness does. So this needs attention.
So the social connections can't be replaced.
Totally
Humans
not.
cannot be replaced.
Totally not.
And still, probably the best place is go and talk to somebody.
Absolutely.
Rather than to the machine or yourself.
Absolutely.
Completely agree. Yes. Thank you.